today is we're getting people in our truck. Where are we going?
Mexico.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Motus, right?
Well, yeah. First order of business will be dentist, but we have Don with us from Cowboy Biker Adventures. We're headed to Mexico today. We're going to meet up with some of our viewers. They showed an interest in going to Mexico, but they were a little bit timid about going by themselves. So I reached out to them to let them know that we were going to go and see if they wanted to go with us. So Ron and Ricky will be joining us. We're going to meet them at the parking lot to go across the border. How you doing this morning, Don?
Good.
Good. Glad to see you.
Well, it's good to see y'all. Thank y'all for including me.
Sure. Recorder.
Everybody's here.
Woohoo! We're getting ready to head in through the gate, the turnstile. Going to Mexico.
I love filming people filming.
This is our second time this season. We were here in December, so this winter season, this is our second time. We have Ricky and Ron coming with us, and Dawn. So first order of business is the dentist.
Are you just walking, or do you get the
Who's doing the dentist?
Both of us.
walking in?
Just walking in. There's people all over the place asking you if you want to go to the dentist.
Which dentist?
We don't know yet. Whatever looks good.
Of course, in Los Algodones, we have to go to Mocha's, correct? You know, the only thing that was missing today was Dave. But what about Bob?
And Pearl.
Oh, so was yours good?
It was yummy.
Yummy?
My tamale.
Yours was good.
Hey, there you go.
Yours was good.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was good.
Good company, good food.
Really good. Good margarita too. I should kill that stuff.
Product placement. We need. Huh?
I don't eat donuts usually, unless they're jelly. I don't know if you heard me earlier.
The line is not too long.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
He's an expert after
40.
this.
40 minutes.
He's an expert. He's been here 7 times this
Actually,
year.
when you're eating up here, you're 30. Now we're 30.
That's going like fun.
When you're even here, you're 30.
Uh-huh.
Let's look at that.
So what'd you think?
It was interesting. It was fun.
Yes, it was.
Good company. Good company.
Yay, thank you for coming with us.
Thanks for having us.
Yes.
We gotta walk long. We gotta walk.
Yeah, we gotta walk.
We got a little jaunt.
Okay.
Pretend it's Disneyland. Look at, this is kind of a cool shot.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And that's a record, 18 months.
We've had it where
That's
there
less
wasn't
than
any
half.
line at all.
Yeah.
Previous best.
That was amazing that time.
And there's restrooms right
There's beds. Yep. Pee-pee room.
here. And there's usually people who-
What it says at Mocha's, it says pee-pee room. P-I-P-I.
2.5 to 3 hours of the night. Yeah, that's the record right there. 18 minutes. We're waiting on the next just to get a table. Hey, everybody.
So, Don,
Yeah.
the other day,
Uh-huh.
Lori and I went over to Bob and Pearl's next exit,
Yeah.
and we played a little Mexican train.
Yeah, and I didn't get an invite. I get it.
That's okay.
We were
You,
doing a
you,
video.
you'd have got your hiney whipped anyway by me.
Oh, of course.
125
Okay.
with numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We even
see,
had a
they
game
like
down.
numbers too, don't they?
Yes. So we said next time we have to have half and half. Half the game with dots and half the game with numbers.
Okay.
And
Well-
it's not even because there's 13 rounds.
If
But-
you're drinking, the first half has got to be with dots. The second half with
Okay,
numbers.
so keep that in mind if we're playing with Don and he's drinking. Numbers first.
I'm not the only one that drinks.
No, I said if we're playing with you because
Yeah,
you prefer the numbers to dots.
Yeah.
Thank you for lunch.
You're
And
welcome.
for the earrings.
Thank you for driving.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Back in America.
All a married woman jewelry. That's dangerous.
We like living life on the edge.
Well, you know, the husband was there.
Can't get Don all embarrassed. So one of the things about boondocking a lot out in the desert is our rig gets dirty.
Yeah, look at here.
So he's already started cleaning.
You got brown and dirty. That's all desert dust.
Desert dust. So he thought he'd come out here just with a couple buckets of water and wipe it off before we head back out to the desert and get it dirty again. It'll get a good bath when we get home in Reno.
I'm using your toothbrush.
Oh, again? That's all right. I used yours to scrub the toilet.
I'll
so.
put it back.
It's a rainy day today. So what are Tom and Lori gonna go do? We're gonna go run some errands. We're going to Provision. I remembered it this time, Sean. So we've got a couple stops to make. We have to stop at the post office and drop off our granddaughter's birthday present to get mailed. And we have to go to Walmart. The Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and maybe the Green Tree Grocery Outlet. It's a local little outlet grocery store. Maybe we'll stop in there. We'll see. It's supposed to stop raining now though, so it should be over for today. Started around 5 o'clock this morning. One nice thing, and probably the only nice thing about gravel like this, is you don't have mud. Otherwise, I don't like the gravel. It tears everything up. Letting the diesel warm up. Not that it's cool, because it's warm and sweaty. Sweaty. I don't like sweaty.
You don't like sweaty what?
Sweaty anything. Well, it's another day of errands.
Errands, here we go, running here and there and everywhere.
We got groceries done yesterday, and that was a biggie. Post office and Dollar Tree. Well, what I got at the Dollar Tree isn't going to work, so I'm going to take that stuff back. Tom got something at Walmart that isn't going to work, and so he's taking that back. And then we may have a couple other stops. is the day before travel day, so it's pack up day. I've been cleaning all day, getting things put away, and we have to get these couple of things done too. It's a lovely day. Beautiful blue skies and white puffy clouds.
So long as there's no traffic tomorrow, we can make this U-turn with the rig.
Oh yeah, nice big road, big driveway.
But I have to almost make a U-turn, so just rename me U-Turn Laverne.
Really?
We can make this happen.
Okay.
I got that rig in there, I can make this happen.
Yeah, you can get it out of there. Well, one errand down. We got the return at the Walmart.
That's the fastest I've ever been in and out of a Walmart in my entire life.
And you had to go to customer service, right, to get a refund.
Yeah.
So we had, what, 4 people in front of us. It went pretty quick.
Maybe 5 minutes at the most.
Yeah, nice. However, the store is pretty packed. All of the check stands with checkers were full, and they had, you know, of course, the self-serve lanes. But I was gonna go grab a couple things. I was like, nope, don't need it today. We went grocery shopping yesterday. I forgot a couple things, but it can wait. On to the next errand. It's a nice big Walmart though. New, fairly new.
Don't they call this the Foothills Walmart?
Probably. I think I just took the curb.
Yeah.
Well, we came to Dollar Tree. I had some bins that I purchased that didn't fit where I wanted them to, so I brought them back. However, I guess I've never tried to bring anything back to Dollar Tree. They do not refund, but they do exchange. So we just walked around the store and picked out 6 more items. 6 items. I mean, I could have done that in the craft section, just boom, 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 but
I was with her, so she knew
I
she
know.
better not do that.
I know, so we got some other stuff. I did get 1 roll of adhesive though.
What?
Foam adhesive squares.
Well, there you go. Happy St. Patty's Day.
Ooh, you spent $1.25 plus tax on me. Okay, that was it for now. I guess we'll just go home until we hear that the package has been delivered at our mail forwarding place.
Find the
Go for a stop recording.
moment and make it.
Go for a stop recording.
Write your head